Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about microwave engineering subject. From this video I am going to release a new series on microwave engineering. In this video I would like to discuss about what is microwave and what are the spectrum of microwave and what are the advantages and applications of microwaves. First let's see what is microwave. As the name indicates, microwave. Micro means here the wavelength of the wave is in terms of micrometers. That's why we call that wave as a microwave. Okay, simply remember, micro means here the wavelength of the wave is in terms of micrometers. Okay, so we call this wave as a microwave. Let's see here the definition of microwave is microwaves are defined as a electromagnetic radiations with a frequency ranging between 300 MHz to 300 GHz. That is the wavelength ranging from 1 millimeter to 30 centimeters. And these microwaves fall between infrared radiation and radio waves in electromagnetic spectrum. Here remember the frequency range of microwave, that is 300 MHz to 300 GHz. In some textbooks you can find the frequency range of microwave is 1 GHz to 1000 GHz. Okay, 1000 GHz in some textbooks. Actually the frequency range of microwave is from 1 GHz to 1000 GHz, but when we consider the frequency range in terms of multiples of 3, we generally consider the frequency spectrum is in terms of multiples of 3. If we consider the frequency range of microwave in terms of multiples of 3, then you can consider the microwave frequency range from 300 MHz to 300 GHz, but the actually used microwave frequency range is 1 GHz to 1000 GHz. Okay, now let's see what is the spectrum of microwave frequency. Okay, the microwave spectrum is classified into different bands, that is very high frequency, L band, S band, C band, X band, Ku band, K band, Ka band, V band, millimeter wave band and submillimeter wave band. Here this spectrum is classified by the IEEE. Okay, the spectrum is classified by the IEEE. First let's see what is the frequency range for very high frequency, that is 0.5 to 1 gigahertz. Okay, and for L band 1 to 2 gigahertz, S band 2 to 4 gigahertz, C band 4 to 8 gigahertz, X band 8 to 12 gigahertz, Ku band 12 to 18 gigahertz, K band 18 to 26.5 gigahertz. Someone may consider here 27 gigahertz. In some textbooks you can find here 27 gigahertz instead of 26.5 gigahertz, and Ka band 26.5 to 40 gigahertz. For V band 40 to 75 gigahertz. For millimeter wave 75 to 300 gigahertz, and more than 300 we consider submillimeter wave. Here I think you are not visible this. Okay, wait, here observe, submillimeter wave is ranging for greater than. Now let's see what are the advantages and applications of microwave. First let's see what are the different types of advantages of microwaves when compared to the other frequencies. Okay, here increased bandwidth availability. We know microwaves are ranging from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. Here the bandwidth is very high and the frequency is also very high, so we can say here we have increased bandwidth availability. And next advantage is improved directive properties, which means we know whenever the frequency increases, directivity also increases. Okay, and beamwidth decreases. We know whenever frequency increases, frequency is directly proportional to the directivity. Okay, frequency is directly proportional to directivity. In microwaves we have the frequencies in the range of gigahertz, so it is having the more directive in nature. Okay, and next see low power requirements. Here for transmitter and receiver we need minimum power. For transmitting and receiving the microwave signals we need only minimum power, so we can call here the low power requirements. And the next one is transparency property of microwave. Here the transparency Transparency property is nothing but these microwaves can penetrate through the atmosphere, through the walls, and through the ionosphere creation. Okay, transparency is nothing but penetration property. And the next one is fading effect and reliability. It is having the less fading effect and it is more reliable. Okay, and these are the advantages of microwaves. Now let's see what are the applications of microwaves. Microwaves are used in telecommunication. For transferring the telecommunication signals, we are using microwaves, and in radars also, in modern radars, we are using microwaves. And microwave ovens, for cooking purpose, we are using microwaves in microwave ovens and drying machines, etc. And these are the advantages and applications of the microwaves. I hope you understood this concept. In future, I will go to do so many videos on microwave engineering. Please support my channel. Thank you for watching this video.